Is your child struggling with the biggest fear of all, the fear of not being enough?
We started Parvathi Tutorial not as an institution. We started it as a safe learning space for children. I'll never forget that day when a child named by Iranna walked in. On ಕಣ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ 10th ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. That one sentence shook us. We realized that we have to create a safe place for children where no child is left behind. They never feel small or unnoticed or discouraged. That was the day when Parvathi Tutorial started. Not with the business plan, but with empathy.
For 13 years, our philosophy has been the same. We not only teach subjects, we teach confidence. Parents often feel that their child would be left behind. Students fear for their marks. We give them what others don't. Personal attention, constant encouragement, and the belief that you can do it. We don't fix marks, we fix the self-belief behind the marks. Our process starts with bond-building classes. This isn't just merely about syllabus. It's an opportunity for our teachers to understand each child's strength and weakness. Then we move on to our 3-step method. First one, the concept application, where we ensure that each child understands why behind every concept. Second, guided practice. Your child learns with us step by step. And then the final step, individual application. Each child masters the concepts at their own pace.
This is where our bilingual approach comes in. Always our first preference is English. But concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we try to explain in Kannada or Hindi as well. Once they are comfort and confident, the English follows naturally.
Our legacy isn't just about a rank. It's about a student, Kanchana, who came in struggling but went out with flying colors of 95%.
Next, it's a Harsha Mallesh, who came with 2 to 5 marks, then raised to 30 but went out with 70%, then also scored in 85% in his PU.
It is the parent of Mahadev who came to us with the tears and came back later after the results with a heart full of gratitude and a handful of sweets.
The transformation from fear to confidence is our legacy.
A child doesn't need more screen time. It needs somebody who notices and says, I'm here for you. And you don't get that from an app. You get that right here at Parvathi Tutorials.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕೆ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
We are now enrolling for academic year 26-27. Please do call us for a free demo class.
And at last, it's for our grade 8 and 9 grade students. We are going to offer free revision classes from this January. So please call us at 9731796570. Hearty welcome to Parvathi Tutorials.